I'm gonna show you how to get so many Skool members that you literally can't stop making money. And this is the exact same strategy that I've used to generate over $6.7 million with my first community and online business in less than 3 years. I've worked with some of the biggest influencers and educators in the online education space with people like Alex Hormozi, Russell Brunson, and Sam Ovens, people who have generated literally hundreds of millions of dollars online. And these top business owners and entrepreneurs understand that you can't just throw together some crappy ad, VSL, webinar, or some piece of product and expect to actually create something that's built to last. In reality, there's only one thing that truly matters when it comes to growing a highly successful and highly profitable business online, and that one thing is community. And when it comes to building a successful community, there are only 2 secret ingredients that you need to launch, grow, monetize, and scale a highly engaged and highly profitable online community and online business that attracts your ideal clients and converts those clients into loyal, high-ticket clients that pay, stay, and refer month after month after month. And after recently shifting our entire business model over to Skool, we've used these exact same strategies and these exact secret ingredients to get our first 100 members into our brand new community in less than 5 days. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how you can do this too. No matter where you're located, what product, services, or offers you provide, even if you're starting from scratch. So with that being said, let's dive in. The biggest mistake that I see most people make when they're looking to grow and scale to $10, $25, $50, or $100,000 per month or more is trying to start by focusing on anything other than step 1. Getting more members and getting more clients. It doesn't matter how much you charge or how much your potential members or clients could pay you if you don't have a strategy to attract new eyeballs, new clicks, and new members and new customers for your business. And what I found over the past 5 years is that there's really 2 ways to attract your ideal clients or community members. And those 2 ways are organic and paid advertising. These are the 2 secret ingredients that the most successful business owners, entrepreneurs, and leaders that you see in the marketplace right now are using to attract attention, promote their business, and ultimately build their brand, which allows them to achieve the dream lifestyle and freedom that you and I and they deserve. Now, if you're watching this video now, I'm gonna assume that you've already made the smart decision to launch and grow your own community. And ideally, if you're also watching this video, you've made that decision to do so through the Skool platform. So if you're someone who's looking to get so many Skool members into your first or next community that it's literally almost impossible to stop making money, you must master these 2 things. And you must master the art and science of getting attention. What this looks like, as you can see on the screen here, is a model and framework we like to call client-financed acquisition. Now, full transparency, I first learned this model from my friend Alex Hormozi, and it was the exact strategy that they used to scale Gym Launch to over $3 to $4 million a month and build a company that recently sold for over $40 million. And the reason this worked so well is because they didn't rely on any one method or median to grow and scale their business or attention. They focused on combining both organic growth strategies and paid advertising strategies together to create the ultimate flywheel of growth and attention for their business, their clients, and their community. That has allowed us to grow and scale our company, Real Bitty Bosses, to over $340,000 per month, and to date over $10 million in sales in just a few short years. And on top of that, applying this exact same strategy, the exact way that we were able to grow our brand new community to over 100 members in less than 5 days. Our organic marketing advertising strategy that you see here is responsible for results like this, and this. And if you want to learn more about how you can apply this for yourself, I'll drop a guide down below in the links so you can learn exactly how we're getting hundreds of members per week to our community and people converting into our offers for our business consistently and predictably without spending any money out of pocket to make this work. Now, the biggest problem and obstacle that most people struggle with when it comes to organic marketing and advertising is the question, how long does it have to take? And as you'll see here, here's one of our clients, Tia, who booked 8 appointments off of 1 social media post, and it took her little over an hour to generate those 8 clients. And you can see Amanda here sent out a few emails to her list and immediately got 3 appointments and 3 new clients in just a matter of hours. Now, with that being said, once you can start generating clients in cash flow organically, just by creating simple content like this, on social media profiles that you already have, you'll start to get the traction that you need to ideally get some cash flow and clients under your belt to be able to take as little as $5 to $10 a day and reinvest that money back into your business, back into your community, and back into your growth through paid advertising. Now, the easiest way to explain paid advertising is this. If you had an ATM where every time you put $1 in to that ATM, you got $5 to $10 or more back out, how much money would you put into that machine? The right answer should be as much money as you can. Now, for us in our company, Real Beauty Bosses, we've had months where we've invested as much as $10, $25, even $50,000 in a single month, which may sound like a lot, or maybe not so much to some of you. If I can have a strategy or a system to invest that money that I'm already generating organically for my clients, community, or my business, and I'm taking as much as $50,000 and putting it to this machine, but making $100, $200, even $300,000 back out, cash collected that very same month, I'd be crazy to not run that play all day long, right? Now, if you want to see what our favorite paid advertising strategy looks like, you can see that on the screen here. We like to break this down into 3 phases, which is attract, capture, and book. The easiest way to explain it is we have a simple ad that speaks directly to our ideal clients, calling out their pain point struggles or goals that they're looking to achieve. And once they engage with that ad, we'll take them to a simple landing page, which presents to them an offer or a potential solution to help them solve their problems, struggles, or achieve their goals. And if they're interested in saying, yes, I want help for what you have to offer, we'll give them the opportunity to click a button, raise their hand, and say, yes, I'm interested in learning more about what you have to offer. We'll have them enter their name, their email, their phone number, and submit their information so that we can get in contact with them and or follow up with them through our email and text automations. And then we'll take them to a conversion page, which we can either invite them to join our free community, book a call with us, or even invite them to take advantage of a low ticket offer or opportunity that we've created. Now, what I'm sharing with you now can work for low ticket businesses, mid ticket businesses, high ticket businesses, for virtually any type of product, service, or market that you're in. However, no matter what type of business you're running, I would recommend starting with this model first, as soon as you're starting to get new clients and new cash flow organically, so that you can start generating more clients and cash flow and more community members inside your community in as little as 30 days of launching. Now, the biggest challenge most people struggle with when it comes to paid advertising is that they create ads that suck. And I'll tell you why. Most people think that you can literally just throw some crappy words together or pictures together and just, boost a post or click a few buttons in an ad manager and somehow make, a gajillion dollars. Now, as you'll see here on the screen, there's a handful of key ingredients that will allow you to create ads that don't suck and actually work. And those key ingredients include the right offer, the right messaging, the right content, and the right targeting. Now, if you want to see the exact strategy that we use to create ads that work and apply these key ingredients the right way for your unique ideal client avatar and for your unique community or your business model, I'll drop a link below in the description to get access to our advertising launchpad, which walks through this entire process step by step. But ultimately, to make your paid advertising strategy work, you need to master the attraction component, the capture component, and the booking or conversion component as well. Up on the screen, I'll pop up the exact ads and funnels that we're using and running right now that have historically generated us hundreds of clients, calls, and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month in cash flow consistently and predictably, as well as the exact automations, text, email, and follow-up campaigns that we've used to squeeze the juice out of all of these leads and opportunities to maximize the long-term growth and scalability of our community, our clients, and our business. These two systems of organic and paid advertising and everything that I'm going to be sharing with you down below in the description is 100% the fastest way to double, triple, even 10x your business in 2024 and beyond. Now, with all that being said, the purpose of this channel and our mission is to help 1,000 people grow and scale their first or next community to 1,000 members or more in less than 6 to 12 months. And Katie and I's mission and vision for our new company, Boss Up, is to help over 10,000 people make their first or next $10,000 per month using the power of community. Now, with that being said, I hope this video was super valuable for you. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. It'll help me create more content like this and be as specific as I possibly can based on your needs, wants, goals, and challenges that you're struggling with your business right now. And again, if you want to join our mission to help 1,000 people generate their first or next 1,000 members inside their community in 2024, you can click the link below in the description to join our free course, free challenge, and free community that I made just for you.